to us. We thank you because you have done great things through me. And for these 8 years, you have preserved his life, whether it's wife and children. We are proud of him, and we pray that God, you will reward him handsomely for using him to lift up the people of their God, and all the things he has done for us, which he used him to do. We pray that his own reward will be of glory. Thank you because you know your heart our prayers. As the people will bless him, and he shall be blessed. In Jesus' name we have prayed.
Thank you. 29th of May, I was really overwhelmed. I saw love. I saw unity amongst our people. I sincerely will thank you. This place, personally, is my Lord the Bishop of Every Diocese. He had encountered so many things we did, but he also forgot that the church played a major role, and what we can say today, we have succeeded. The church played a major role. The difference has been made. Today, our state is peaceful. Look at the kind of transition, as if just all came down. All the evil plots by the enemies didn't work. Our transition was so smooth, so smooth. And before the church, 80% of those who come to you are coming with something different. Something different. They are selfish interests. You're a very good example of what happened to us. Those that will be brought at the forefront, who were nothing again. They had died politically. We brought them to the front seat. They started being human beings again. I was this. Is it I am this? I was and I am. Is it the same? It's not the same. We brought them. They were sitting very in front, as if they gave birth to me. They are my parents. But they were the best people. After benefiting from everything, they were the first people who stabbed us. Who stabbed us? They were the first people who are running for EFCC against you. That is the kind of politicians you see. Immediately you emerge, EFCC. They didn't know that they're 20 steps ahead of them. If somebody has planted, we must not destroy the seed that was planted. Some people wanted to destroy Dr. Peter Blake's political, but it's not possible. God said it's not possible, it's not possible. Rather, they have destroyed their own future, not our own. So I thank you. I believe, I know that you will make River State very proud. I know that. I know you will make River State very proud. I said to people last night, no state has done it, but he has shown the first step that look, I'm prepared to start work. What have you done? Send people to be screened as commissioners, today to swear them in. That shows somebody is prepared for the work. It's not to wait for 6 months before you appoint your cabinet. Shows that look, we are serious. Let's take the first step. From the first step, you know what, the person will be a good